Welcome to Wiseair Technologies. The modern generation is full of inventors and manufacturers looking for ways to improve people's daily lives by rapidly developing and distributing their products. Automation is the key for ensuring faster productivity and quality of the products used. Hence the use of compressed air in factory automation is becoming inevitable. Measurement of flow in compressed air system is essential to run a plant efficiently and safely. There are a variety of technologies available to measure flow. In order to measure the flow of wet and dirty air, we at Wiseair offer our WAFS 103 model of differential pressure Pitot tube flow meter, which is specially designed with patented anti-condensation technology. WAFS 103 is suitable for compressor FAD measurement. It is simple to install thanks to the insertion design. It also includes features like a built-in temperature and pressure sensor. The measuring flow range varies from 5 to 300 normal meter per second, making the overall installation cost to be very low. The integrated display with touch function and Bluetooth interface are appealing features of the WAFS 103. It costs money to keep your system in good condition, but it costs many-fold more if your system is spoiled. Are you curious about how flow monitoring can help you save energy, cut costs, and improve your sustainability quotient? Call our product specialist to know more at 904-777-8715 or visit us online at www.wiseair.asia.